slicing the middle and slam! First attack here in the second half. Here it comes. Nugget by CJ. Namadal! Back still. The kid right behind the back. Just recover. Lopez Pico. Ang daming kamay. Humabang. Mutyaga. Now Nico open. Release the trigger. Bam!
Yon! Bagsak mepa! Mga kabalin, naimbitahan nga tayong pumunta sa Barangay Valdez, Florida Blanca, Pampanga mga idol para maging success sa isang malupit na semifinals sa pagitan ng Tikas Kapampangan laban naman sa team ng Chrome Lake mga idol. Well mga kabalin, hindi lang po ito ang una na nakapunta ako sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga mga idol. Kasi ang lugar na ito, marami talagang magandang liga na intercommercial mga idol. At syempre big shoutout sa SK Chairman ng Barangay Valdez kasi nga pinagbigyan niya tayong mag-feature at mag-cover ng bakbakan at labanan dito sa Barangay Valdez mga idol. Hindi pa nga nag-uumpisa ang laban mga idol at warm up pa lang. Sobrang dami na ng tao mga idol. Sobrang init sa venue, pati na rin yung game mga idol. Syempre maraming salamat po sa mga kabalin natin dyan sa Barangay Valdez, Florida Blanca mga idol sa mainit ng pagtanggap kay Kabalin Hoops at sa buong Tikas Kapampangan at kabilang team mga idol. Dalawang team na may napakalupit na lineup mga idol. Yes mga kabalin, sa kabilang team nakita ko si CJ Ganya at Jeric Nakpil mga idol. Yes mga idol, comeback stronger ang sabi ko dati kay Jeric Nakpil kasi nga may pinagdaan nitong mabigat na pagsubok. Pero alam nyo naman syempre, dasal lang yan kay Lord at magiging okay na. Kaya sobrang napakasaya ko kasi nakita ko nga si Idol Jeric Nakpil at syempre si Ed Rivera, mga veterano ng ligang labas mga idol na lagi kong nakakasama noon mga idol. At si Jeric naging kumpare ko na rin mga idol. Big surprise pa sa akin kasi nga kasama pala si Ken Sanchez at Richard Velches ng Mavs Phenomenal mga idol. Pero nung nakita ko yung dalawang lineup mga idol, labanan ng point guard, shooter at big man ito mga idol. Kaya naano pa tama mga kabalin, bagsak niya pa.
First, dinayo na tayo. Joby Evaristo, bagsak me pa. Alright. Okay. For the Cromlech, Richard Benches is still. Finding the crossover. Now the three-pointers. Nugget Palawab! Ang ganda ng buhok mo, Richard, ha? Parang ang pudel. 40 down, choke up. 10 down, choke up. Bounce by West Victoria. Challenging by Mr. Red. Richard Dead. The scheme. Minutes on the game clock here in the first quarter. 15 down, now for 3. Bang! The Papagaballers Cromlech, Belches, Alonso, Patang! Terrible the point guard. Number 8, stop and pop goal. Walang depensa. From downtown, Nico Santos in and out. That was a 3. 3 on the shot clock, Nico drive. Ball goal interference. Anong score mo? Basket yun. 13-17 now is the official score. Bounce inside, Bill, just ball fake. Yan! Rest on Tony! Namadal! Tony! Ang harap, pinasukan mo pa. Now the 3, bang! PBA. 30 down, shot block. Here comes Jeffrey. Michael Sepulak by Ojanico! Another block from Ojanico. Jericho Piranjo, Dangerous. Drifting down, short block. Richard Velches to Jeffrey C. 10 down, Jeffrey Michael. Block! Not in my house. 6 good. Sixth grade shot clock. Mamadou. To Kent. Pull. Bang. Three. That lays. Offensive rebound. Rance Victoria. Big shot. Rance Victoria. 13 down shot clock. Down from the PB. Draw back reverse and Ken Sanchez. That's a no kick. Defensive rebound. 5 down. 3-point shots. Bam! Defensive rebound from the Tikas Kapampangan. Here comes Lancet Khan to stop and pump on the board. Yung ating Tikas. Perez. Not all the time, wag po tayo nadidistract tayo. 40 down shot clock. Fifteen down shot clock. Christian Alonso. Hang time basket. 58. 3-point shots. Negative by CJ. Mamadou. What a slam! Now, for the Tikas, powered by Jay! By Sold! 13 down shot clock, 3 minutes exactly. The man in black once again. And Santiago Ojarike. Jeffrey C. One handle on Mamadou, offensive rebound. 3 seconds. This is three. Here comes the King Lightning! Ay, single foul na dito. 10. Tatlo-apat. Ayan, sige. Tatlo-apat na yan. 5 down! Tower! Water! Mass by Ojarike! Tanya! Press the checkpoint! Jeffrey C. Now to Ken. Ball big try basket. Lightning, 5 off the shot from game clock miss. Put back to First attack here in the second half. Here it comes in! Opening here in the second half of this round. Now from the outside by Declan McDuggan. Richard Belches basket. Good down. Oh, wala daw po maninigarilyo ha, sa loob. 10 down, shot block. Pass. Check, still. The Kid Lightning behind the back. Mamadou. Pass to CJ. Kenya, 3. Now, 3 points. Negative. Rebound on Ojarike. Pass it to the Ken Lightning. Ken Lightning dribbles. The spin by Big Spain. Race Victoria. Follow up and challenge the run. Wait. 50 down. Melvin de la Cruz on the board. Get up. 15 down on the shot clock. Jerry Pabian isolation mode. Balik sa 10. Ang lamang screen by Edu Rivera. Pass to Richard Belches. Now to CJ Kanya. Bang! Whee! Yeah. Whoa, what the move! Ranger Gomez on the D against Ken Sanchez. Slicing the middle and slam! 2 minutes on the game clock, third quarter. The reverse converter on Christian. 40 down. shot clock. Miko Santos tumira ng 3. Bam, bam, boom! Hand down shot clock. 58-50. Step back, 3-point shot. Bam, bam! 3 points! Reverse shot at Mamago. Richard pass to Mamago.
Ano po namin kayo pinabawal magsaya? Basta nakaka-distract kayo. Hindi po kailangan yan.
3-point shot. Bingo! Down, Renz. Victoria. Binagbag yung depensa sa ilalim. Renz Victoria. 60-61. 15 down on the shot clock. Here comes the post by Renz Victoria. Kaldag na naman. Bagsak. Walang nasandalan. What the instinct on Richard Bridges. Renata and step. Cover for Christian Alonso. Hiikot lang to Renz Victoria. 9 on the shot clock. Kid Lightning. Oh, baskets go. Bridges. Alonso the floater. Look at offensive rebound on Christian. 6-2. 6-43. Now number 9, Nico Pabawi on the board. That was a 2-strong shot. Recovered by the Kid Lightning. Estalilia moving. Drive back up and out. 3-point shot Victoria. Nugget offensive rebound. 3 battle. 66-69. 30 down. Now inside. No! 10 down. Shot block. Jay. Bang, bang, 2. 3 timeouts. Bang, 2. 5 down on the shot clock. Here comes the cross. 3 down. Kick out. Mamado. Reyes. Bang. 14 on the shot clock. There was an 8-point miss. Looking for the quick spot from 3. Bang, bang. Oh, come on. The play. Tingnan natin kung makumpleto yung 4-point play dito ni Kid Lightning. And yes! Substitution. Sige. The 3-point shot from Kid Lightning. Bang! The shot clock. 53 on the break clock. 50 down, shot clock. Ken Sanchez block. Ojerica down. Foul shot. Pinagsinugan siya ng Merlop. Pinagalaban na dinunod sa atin. Final point quarter. Now Jay. Goal. Meron na wala. Versus Gold. 12 seconds. Pahala na kayo. Happy Fiesta, Partners! Basket! 12 seconds. And now chance to tie the ball game. Nugget on rebound. Jumping from the Tigres. Fade away. Basket on Lukusit. Last round ang gagawin niya dito. Nakakalusot ba? Algeric Ramos! Slam dunk! Oh, it got that way! Slamming down! Breaking down! Pwede pa kapunan yun! There's Gallagher! 83-81. Turned it down, shot like that, and here comes the Kid Lightning. Pass to Santos. Hook shot, payback! Yung gagawin dito, Santos, ball pick, drop, or another hook, yes! Signature hook. Four down, Nico open, release the trigger, bang! Ten down, three, naked, rebounds, and out of bounds on your 30 seconds. Turn it down. 10 down. 3 more shots. So nervous seconds. Ken Sanchez. And this is game 1 from the Tikas Kapampangan. Congratulations, shake hands. Ang ganda ng laban. Maraming salamat. Boss Jan Desina. Boss Benitez. Engineer Benitez. Boss Jello. Gomez. Our best player of the game. Adela, our best player. Our best player of the game. Ella. Our best player of the game from the Tigas is the baby captain of Miko Santos. Getting best player of the game. And congratulations. Ako, wala lang. Ay, washing machine.